So we are at Last Stop Haunt for 22, and holy crap. This is like the longest line I think I've ever seen. Well, you're gonna see it when we're in line. You can. I'm gonna see if I can find Neil.
Imagine doing this, like, well, hello.
In the hallway. She doesn't go there. Everyone is like out of their doors walking up to my girlfriend in town. What are you doing? It's like, I don't know what
Where do you have it? So did you just have the flashlight, but it looked like your whole inside was glowing.
Oh my
I bet a snake oil salesman the whole time. The most brilliant bunch, let me tell you. This group of fortune tellers has been messing some stuff up, I'm telling you. The power went in and out. There's smoke everywhere. I heard some screams from somewhere. So I have no clue what these fortune tellers are doing. But I can tell you one thing for sure. I have the cure for everything. Do you have headaches, backaches? You need my snake oil. Arthritis, esteritis? I can cure the whole family. This snake oil is made of the best ingredients. You know where I got them from? I stole them from the witches 2 years ago. They're in here. We take cash donations for my snake oil here, food donations at the truck back there, and Venmo donations you can scan at the front pillar.
Oh boy. Okay.
Next couple of years, she's coming here.
Like Pennywise?
Show him
Lived in 2022.
Hey,
What?
chill out.
Tonight, we must call upon the spirits to show you the way. Everyone must touch a card and focus. Choose your card wisely. Choose your card. Spirits of the past, I command thee. Show our guests the way out. They come. Which way do they? That way. They want you to go that way. Go quickly.
They want us to go this way.
Go before it is too late.
Right.
I almost tripped over. You landed on your feet.
Can't see anything.
He's like that.
Here we go. You got it?
Did you hear that?
Yes, it's a portal.
Is this a real portal?
Hold my hand.
Send Dallas first.
You want me to go?
Epileptic seizure.
Yeah.
I know. What if I find out?
I can't see. I'm gonna hit my head off of it.
Let go. I'm not letting go.
You're fine. Yeah.
Can I find it? That's scary.
Go this way. Look at this spider.
Oh god.
It's so dark.
You're fine.
Hello.
Fine.
How are you? I do have a question. What do you see inside? My magic crystal ball.